Dear, welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you how to fix profile views on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Okay, now we are going to resolve profile views on TikTok. Come to the TikTok app, click on this, and now come to the profile. Your TikTok or your profile views will appear here in inbox. If your views are not appearing here, then you have to click on the profile. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Clicks on setting and privacy. Now click on the privacy. Scroll this bar and click on profile views. If you turn on this option, then you get a notification in your inbox of who viewed your profile. If you are turning it off, then you will not get your notification. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.